In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a lip-synced video in Higgsfield LipSync Studio. We'll go from opening the site to generating a polished clip, keeping everything clear and simple so you can follow along in one go. First, open Higgsfield in your browser. On the home page, hover your mouse over the video menu to reveal more options. From that menu, select LipSync Studio. This is the workspace where you'll transform a single image into a talking, animated character that matches spoken audio. Start by uploading the image you want to animate. Pick a clear, front-facing photo with good lighting so the facial features are easy to read. Once you select your file, give it a moment to upload. You'll see indicators showing progress. Just wait until it's fully ready before moving on. Next, you'll notice two audio choices, audio text and generated audio. For this walkthrough, we're using audio text. With audio text, you provide written input that guides what's spoken and how the scene feels. In the text field, enter a prompt like, "The character is inside a white cozy house with natural lighting." Keep your description concise but specific so the system understands the setting and tone you're aiming for. Clear, concrete details tend to produce more consistent results. Now it's time to pick a model. You can choose from different models depending on the motion style and quality you want. For today, select WAN 2.5. It offers a strong balance between realism and speed, making it a reliable default when you're getting started or working on everyday projects. Before generating, adjust the duration and resolution. Duration controls how long the final clip will be. Set it to comfortably cover the content implied by your text. Resolution determines visual detail. Higher resolutions look sharper but can take longer to render and require more system resources. If you're testing ideas, a modest resolution helps you iterate quickly, and you can increase it once you're happy with the look. With everything set, your image uploaded, audio text entered, WAN 2.5 selected, and your duration and resolution dialed in, click Generate. The system will process your request, animate the face, align the lips to the spoken content, and render your video. This can take a little time depending on your chosen settings, so let it finish. And that's it. You've created a lip-synced video in Higgsfield LipSync Studio from a single image using audio text, the WAN 2.5 model, and your chosen duration and resolution.